everyone. I want you all to welcome our newest student. You're late to class. Be late again and I'll rip you to pieces. Now sit so we can begin. Sit. Over the course of the semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely extract the human brain for eating, and I am so excited. And remember, wrong answers will be very harshly punished. No eating, no talking, no breathing, no moving, no asking questions, and no washroom breaks. Remember, I will have to punish you very, very harshly if you break any of those rules. Wrong! Correct! You've been a bad student. No, not again. I actually tried to be a good teacher this time. Where do you think you're going? Hello? Where are you hiding? Please. It hurts. I was promised something big.
Hey, you there. I can see you on the cameras. I am so happy to see you. And I need your help with something. Wait, can you even hear me? Hello? Listen, if you can hear what I'm saying, wave at any camera. Oh, thank God. I'm so glad you're here. I thought this was the end. I was looking around and walked into the security room. Then the door closed behind me and I've been stuck inside since. It needs a light blue key card to open, but I don't have it. I know why you're here and I can help you, but you've got to get me out of here. Oh, the good old drones. I lost mine a couple of weeks ago. Sweet. Now you can go down to the maintenance room. Remember, you're looking for a light blue key card. Good luck and thank you. 3 birds with 1 stone. I'll get all of your key cards, I'll get the perfect specimen, and I don't have to deal with that thing down there. And it's all thanks to you. Oh, come on. I didn't hit you that hard. Or maybe I did. Either way, it's best to take a nap while I prepare for our little surgery. Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your lunch break. Please return to your classes. Also, teachers, please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student, believed to be accompanied by a drone. If you catch them, call Principal Banban's office immediately. Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your second break. Please return to your classes. You know, on a normal day you'd be standing where I am, behind the safety of this class. Like you're in a zoo watching some animals. Speaking of zoos, it's almost assembly time, where all the doors open, so we must keep this brief. Look, I'm sorry I hit you, but you gotta understand. I needed something from you that I could only get if you were unconscious, and I was all out of sedatives. If you'd seen me, you wouldn't have trusted me, I know it. But there was one thing I didn't like you about, and that's me knowing why you're here. You're here for your children. I too am working towards saving them, if you can believe it. But someone else has them. Someone far stronger than you and me both, that resides deep in the abyss. Oh no, you've gotta go. There's an elevator in Opillabird's walkway. Take it and we'll talk again down there.